In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert AI art into vectors. If you've ever tried to scale a cool AI image and watched it turn blurry or pixelated, this is the fix. Vector graphics are made of paths instead of pixels, which means they stay perfectly crisp at any size. This is ideal for logos, posters, merchandise, or anything you want to print big without losing quality. Start by opening Discord and navigating to the Mid-Journey bot where your AI image lives. This could be in a direct message with the bot or inside a server channel, depending on where you generated it. Make sure you're looking at the final version you actually want to convert. If there are multiple variations, choose the cleanest one with clear edges. Also, keep copyright and usage rights in mind. Only convert images you're allowed to use. Next, download your AI image from Discord. Click to open it, then use the download option to save it to your computer. For the best vectorization results, work with the highest resolution version you have. If you previously upscaled the image in Midjourney, use that file. Avoid heavily compressed screenshots. A clean PNG or high-quality JPG will make a noticeable difference in the final vector. Now go to your browser and head to vectorizer.ai. This tool converts raster images into vectors automatically. Upload the AI image you just downloaded by dragging it into the page or using the upload button. Supported formats like PNG and JPG work great. Once uploaded, the tool will start analyzing the image on its own. No complicated setup needed. After the upload, the site will vectorize your image. Behind the scenes, it's tracing shapes, detecting edges, and rebuilding the artwork as scalable paths. You'll see a preview of the result. Expect smooth, sharp lines that scale without artifacts. If your original had lots of noise or compression, the preview may show extra little shapes. This is normal. Many vector tools offer options to adjust detail, smoothing, or the number of colors, which can help simplify complex areas and reduce tiny speckles. If thin lines look jagged, a higher quality source image or clearer contrast in the original usually improves the outcome. For gradient-heavy art, fewer colors can create a cleaner, more posterized look. More colors capture richer shading but can increase complexity. That's it. You've turned an AI-generated raster into a clean, scalable vector. With this workflow, you can keep your art sharp on anything from business cards to billboards. Pause the video as needed and follow along with your own image, and you'll get professional results in minutes.